Yeah, so we're not regretting our decision to get the hell out of Hamilton, Ontario. We moved up here in the French River area. It is just so beautiful up here. And hear the occasional car go by, but it's nice. It's nice and quiet here. And we actually have some property for way less than what we could get in Hamilton, Ontario. And there's a lot of property here. And we're very happy about that because we're both outdoors people. As you can tell from our videos, we always try and go out somewhere and explore and stuff. But yeah, we're gonna try our hand at like putting some solar in, and we're gonna try and get a garden in and see if we could be a little bit more self-sufficient. Like we had a little garden, like a 5 by 10 garden in Hamilton, but you know, bigger is always better, mostly most of the time. But yeah, we're gonna be taking a little bit of a video series of what we're gonna be doing here in our new home, a new property. I'm kind of walking around and maybe you can see a little bit of what's around. This is all new to us and we're just absolutely loving it. So we have a little boat dock, right, or actually a boat launch that's down the street from us. So we went and bought a boat. We took it out already. We should have filmed some, but it would have been kind of comical. We struck something on our first go out there. The prop's a little bent, it still works, but yeah, we are a whole bunch of firsts in this video series, I guess. We already cleaned up the property and stuff to make it more presentable for film, I guess. We were waiting on this riding mower. That's probably why there wasn't a video in quite some time. But hopefully you guys stick around and don't bail on us yet, because we're gonna do some more exploring and stuff. With this COVID stuff going on, we can't really do much anyways. But we can explore the area, and it'll be a first for you and for me, and us rather. With our new dog, he just doesn't know what the heck's going on, because there's so much going on all the time. Because we had an Airbnb between the sale of our last place and this place, and we're going all over just looking around to entertain him mostly. But he doesn't, like I said, he doesn't know what's going on, but I know he likes this place the best out of all the places we've been. Like, we take him out on the e-bike. Well, I go on the e-bike and we drive around the yard and he chases us. He just loves it. We got a little bit of land in the woods too, and there's a creek back there. He slops around in there. He comes out black, as all dogs usually do. The property is was overrun with raspberry bushes everywhere, and this whole brown area. I took them all out. Oh, that's a new chainsaw too. Didn't need that in the city, but highly recommend that thing. It's awesome. A 60-volt version, yeah. And that, see, we're gonna be doing solar, so we got all battery stuff. Like even the riding mower was battery, or is battery, sorry. There it is, some kind of setup for rainwater catchment here. This is we're gonna turn this thing into a guest house, this building here. Yeah, there's quite a bit to maybe follow along with if you're interested. It could be pretty entertaining, I would think, because no idea what we're doing. I know conventional renovations and stuff, but solar, I've been following it for a little while, like just researching it, but it could be interesting. And we got a little storage area on the side here, and barn doors. I don't know where to box these in or keep it the way it is. I was thinking of making it like a drawbridge, because there is an overhead crane inside this building. Like it's like a winch kind of thing, but it's like an engine hoist, I guess he was using it for. And I don't know, maybe even in the comments later as we get going, we can I'll definitely take suggestions. But yeah, I think we're gonna be doing the roof rather soon. It's pretty bad. Like I got musical instruments and stuff inside there, and yeah, don't want them to get wrecked, so probably a good idea. and we got Swiss oil heat. We're gonna get rid of that. Maybe turn this into a tiki bar, because we're gonna put a really big deck all along here. And then, oh, here's a hydro pole in the back of our yard. That's another story. And yeah, we're gonna put another deck over there, and then we're gonna join the two together, like maybe with steps and then interlocking stone going across. Possibly a pool right where that tree is. Maybe take the tree out or part of the tree off. Yeah. So we got to do something with the proceeds of a renovation, right? So yeah, hopefully it'll be interesting. Oh, look who's back. There's Andrea and Cody. I guess I'll talk to you guys later. Okay, bye.